Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. It is the Friday before a long weekend, so just a reminder that the stock market is closed on Monday for Labor Day. Now this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are slightly in the red this morning as investors await the August jobs report. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.14%, S&P 500 futures down 0.18%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.33%. Qualcomm and Meta Platforms are teaming up to develop custom chipsets for use in virtual reality products. The two U.S. tech giants have signed a multi-year agreement to collaborate on a new era of spatial computing. They're using Qualcomm's extended reality XR Snapdragon technology. Extended reality refers to technologies including VR and augmented reality, which merge the physical and digital world. Analysts currently rate the Meta stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 35%, while the Qualcomm stock is also rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 46%. And StarBucks has announced that Laxman Narasimhan will become their new CEO. Narasimhan is the former CEO of a consumer health company, Reckitt. He'll be moving to Seattle from London and will work closely with interim CEO Howard Schultz before assuming his new role in April. He brings nearly 3 decades of experience leading and advising global consumer brands and has a proven track record in developing purpose-led brands and driving innovations. Analysts currently rate the StarBucks stock a moderate buy with an average upside of about 9.5%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Not much happening in the pre-market or after hours today for earnings. Last night, though, we did hear from Broadcom, who posted better than expected results. They also issued future guidance that was ahead of expectations. Their revenue of $8.46 billion grew 25% year-over-year and beat analyst estimates of $8.41 billion. Earnings per share came in at $9.73, ahead of the $9.56 estimate. For Q4, they're projecting revenue of $8.9 billion, which would be a 20% year-over-year growth at the midpoint. Analysts currently rate the stock a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of 38%. Also reporting better than expected results was athletic apparel company Lululemon. They reported revenue of $1.87 billion, which was up over 28% year-over-year and ahead of the estimates of $1.77 billion. Earnings per share came in at $2.20, beating the estimated $1.86. For their third quarter, they also provided guidance that was ahead of analyst expectations. The stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 18%. And we also heard from PagerDuty. Their stock was on the decline yesterday, but is turning things around in the pre-market after posting better than expected results. Their revenue was up over 33% year-over-year, coming in at $90.3 million, outpacing their own guidance and the Wall Street estimates of $88 million. On an adjusted basis, they did lose 4 cents per share in the quarter, but that was a narrower loss than the estimated 8 cents. They have just 3 analyst ratings, but 2 come in yesterday, both with upsides of over 40%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by the HashiCorp following their earnings report. Trading under the ticker HCP, their stock is up over 13%. They're followed by Lululemon under the ticker LULU, up 9.7%, and Fluence Energy under FLNC, up 6.6%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by the Hub Group, though I wasn't able to find any distinct news behind the decline. Their stock trades under the ticker HUBG and is down about 6%. They're followed by Aurora Innovation under AUR, down 3.3%, and Melco Resorts and Entertainment under MLCO, down over 3%. So that is going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget that the stock market is closed on Monday, so we'll be back here on Tuesday with your pre-market updates. Have a great long weekend, and we'll see you back here next time.